Located directly on the main highway leading toward Gabala, Castle Resort and Spa offers a peaceful mountain escape surrounded by forests, fresh air, and beautiful natural landscapes. For guests arriving by car or tour bus, the property offers a large private parking area conveniently located right in front of the hotel. The main hotel building consists of 3 floors and welcomes guests with a calm and cozy resort atmosphere from the very first moment. One of the most beautiful parts of the property is its large private lake located inside the resort territory. Around the lake, guests can walk, relax, and enjoy the peaceful environment away from the noise of the city. The hotel also features a wide outdoor area where families, couples, and groups can comfortably spend quality time during the day. An outdoor swimming pool is also available within the resort area, creating a perfect place to relax during warmer days. Guests can also spend time at the hotel's restaurant. The restaurant area combines a warm interior with relaxing nature views, creating a pleasant dining experience throughout the day. Here, guests can enjoy breakfast every morning with a variety of options prepared for both adults and children. Inside the hotel, guests are welcomed by spacious and elegantly designed rooms. The hotel rooms feel open, fresh, and comfortable, with plenty of space for both short and long stays. The bathrooms continue the hotel's modern design concept, offering a clean, fresh, and relaxing atmosphere. Large balconies open toward the mountains and forests, adding even more charm to the overall experience. In addition to the main building, the resort also includes multiple modern A-frame cottages located around the lake area. These cottages create a more private and cozy atmosphere, especially for guests looking for a unique nature getaway experience. Another important highlight of the hotel is its spa and wellness center. Guests can enjoy a large indoor swimming pool, perfect for relaxation during all seasons. The wellness area also includes sauna, steam room, traditional Turkish bath, and jacuzzi. In addition to all these facilities, the hotel also features an entertainment room where guests of all ages can spend enjoyable and quality time together. All designed to provide guests with a comfortable and relaxing stay. This was Castle Resort and Spa with Azerbaijan Hotels Guide. Thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next hotel experience across Azerbaijan.